Brian, can I see that paper for a sec? Huh. That's odd. I thought that would be big news.
You thought what would be big news?
Well, there seems to be an absence of a certain ornithological piece. A headline regarding mass awareness of a certain avian variety.
What are you talking about?
Oh, have you not heard? It was my understanding that everyone had heard.
Heard what? Brian, don't!
Bird's a winner, well a bird, bird, bird. Bird is a winner, well a bird, bird, bird. Well a bird is a winner, well a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner, well a bird, bird, bird. Well a bird is a winner, well a bird, bird. The bird's a winner, well a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner, well a bird, bird, bird. Well the bird is a winner, well a bird, bird. The bird's a winner, well don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird is a winner, well a bird, bird. The bird's a winner, well a bird. Surfin Bird.
Oh my God, Peter, are you all right?